In this video, you will learn about hyphens. As learned earlier, punctuation refers to the marks used in writing that helps the reader understand what they are reading. There are 5 basic punctuation marks. They are full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, and apostrophe. Let us understand the use of hyphens. Hyphens are used to bring words together to talk about a number or thing. For example, 32 or merry-go-round. To use an adjective made of 2 words before a noun, hyphenate the adjectives to convey the correct meaning. For example, she was wearing a little worn dress. This sentence means that the girl was wearing a dress which has been worn before. By adding the hyphen, the sentence would read, she was wearing a little worn dress. This sentence means the girl was wearing a dress which was almost new. Let us look at a few more examples. Let us go for this once-in-a-lifetime adventure. Or, buy this offbeat suit. Hyphens are also used to join a prefix to a proper noun. For example, pro-Indian or post-British rule. Use hyphens to write numbers in words. For example, 99 or 1045. When 2 similar words are hyphenated with a common ending like short-term and long-term, drop the common ending from the first word. For example, we give short and long-term loans to working professionals. This sentence can also be written as we give short-term and long-term loans to working professionals. Or, big stores hires full and part-time employees. This sentence can also be written as big stores hires full-time and part-time employees. Now you know how to use hyphens.